Hi peeps and welcome back to CRACH. As you can see, we are back here at Steven, ready to continue preparing these awesome goggles. So I hope that you peeps are ready because we are going to finish it today. So I would say, let's go. Whoop. So Steven, what are we going to prepare today?
First I'm maybe gonna explain what I already did, because they look different now.
They do. Look at that, they got the color and all. What have you been doing when I was gone, my friend?
To save some time, because it has to dry out.
Yeah.
First I did a coating of Plastidip. You can get it at the cosplay shop.
Okay, Plastidip, and what does that do? What is that?
It's a liquid rubber. So it gives a coating of rubber, so when you afterwards do some painting on it, the paint will not crack.
Oh,
so
that's
it's flexible also.
Yeah, because I can guess that when you simply paint something, it's gonna dry, but if you are gonna bend it, it's possible that your paint is gonna get removed.
Yes.
So this is something that is preventing that.
Yeah.
Very cool.
So when now it's flexible.
Yeah.
But you see the middle point, it's very flexible, but the paint is not cracking.
Awesome.
So it stays nice and and clean.
So you put a layer of Plastidip,
and
after that you did paint it with spray paint.
The spray paint, just a normal spray paint.
With the right color. Da, 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 da. So that's really cool. Okay, what are we planning for now?
For today we're gonna finish it. So it's gonna be finished today.
Woo!
So we have to put on the Velcro to attach it to your head. We're gonna put on some foil to
hide my eyes.
To hide your eyes, to blacken it. Therefore we get some foil to darken the windshields for the cars. So that we're gonna use to hide your eyes.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna attach some shadow effects. So that we have the airbrush. We're gonna use a pen to get some really nice details on the glasses.
Cool, mate. I can't wait. Yeah. So I would say let's start with the first thing.
Let's go.
Let's go. That's awesome. So as you can see, you can bend it as much as you want. The paint is gonna get off. It's gonna hold. It's there forever. Yes, my friend. Yes. Velcro.
Yeah. First I'm gonna attach the Velcro, so you can put it on your head. Woo! And it stays on your head.
That's the whole idea.
So first I'm gonna measure. You're gonna put 2 at the sides, so you have enough to adjust at your head.
Yeah.
Contact glue again to stick it together.
Sticky time, sticky time. So again, it's contact glue, so you have to put it on both sides that you're gonna glue together. You let it dry, and then it's really easy to put it together. That's what I learned from last video. And if you peeps did pay attention, you did learn that as well.
Yes.
And there is the glue. Stick it. Okay, now the glue had some time to dry up. And now the contact glue is gonna do its work. And it's gonna stick nice and clean together. Look at that. It's beautiful. Okay, now we need to wait until it's drying, so little dance. Thanks for joining me with the dance. He did a great job, right? Yes, he did. Smooth, right? Very smooth. Look at this. I love it. Hey.
Hi. You see enough, you see enough.
I can see enough. So Steven, now that that's all fitting, what are we gonna do next?
Now we're gonna attach the shadow effect.
Shadow effect, so
yeah.
We're gonna paint it.
We airbrush it.
Airbrush?
Yeah, I like the airbrush.
I'm ready. Let's airbrush. So okay, we just finished doing the shadows, so I think that the next part will be to put the black foil?
Yes.
To put the black foil on the goggles to create like the glasses.
Yeah.
I'm excited. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Let's do that. What do you think?
It looks okay.
Okay, it looks amazing. Look at this, man. Woo! Woo! I love it, man. I am so proud. I am so happy that we did this together. You are freaking amazing, Steven.
Thank you.
That we did this in such a short time. It's quite amazing. I'm gonna try to show it. Ooh. Ooh. It's magnificent. Peeps, go look at his Facebook page, The Vigilante. Go look at his Facebook page. His work is amazing. As you can see, I am really happy that we did this together. Steven, I want to thank you so much for doing this together with me. And yeah, is it okay to show your new cosplay?
Yeah, you can show.
Bing! Here's a picture of his new cosplay. It looks so cool, man. How did you come on that idea actually?
It's nostalgic for my. I grew up with it.
Me too. So it was like, damn, I would never have guessed that you were gonna make that as a cosplay. So that's really cool to see something that you don't see every day. Because come on, we love Harley Quinns, we love Deadpools, but it's cool to see something else now and then, right?
Yeah.
Like a Eraserhead. En een beetje Paddington. Well mate, one more time, thanks for your time. I hope that you peeps did enjoy the video as well. And yeah, we are going to the next part, and probably the last part is gonna be the wig that we are gonna prepare, style. So yeah, I hope that you peeps are ready for that. Steven, thanks a lot. And you know what? You can sign us out. So you can hit the camera whenever you want.
Bye.
Because we are out.
Bye bye.
Whoop.